All right guys, so stay tuned with this video. I appreciate all my subscribers. We make Peruvian chicken anticuchos on the trail. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Look at how good this looks. I'm gonna take a quick bite. With the potatoes, corn salad, you can't go wrong with this. Thank you so much guys. Stay tuned for the whole recipe. Appreciate it. Hey guys, so right here, my mom, she's fixing anticuchos, chicken anticuchos. This is traditionally made out of beef heart, but she is using chicken because sometimes the meat is very hard to come by. The special thing with this plate is the seasoning. So she's gonna go over the seasoning and what she uses, and then you have to marinate it at least overnight, preferably a little bit longer, but the scuttle is a great dish to have these prepared in the cooler with your ice-cold fridge, and then you could pop these out with potatoes. I guarantee this is gonna be amazing at the next event you go to. So she prepared all this and we're gonna eat good. We picked up a salad. The Zero Breeze, right now it's getting hot with the Ryobi fan, is keeping it nice and cool here. So just some ideas for when you're off-roading or camping. Again, I really appreciate you being here, and let's keep going. All right guys, so we're on Charlie's Creek right here. This is a very easy trail. I appreciate you guys being here with me. If you need any information about this trail, check out my video where I take my 1997 Land Rover Discovery. I'm gonna link it up here. And it's a fun scenic trail. Just be mindful where you're off-roading. Don't drive places you're not supposed to, and just wherever you can, be helpful with the trash. So it's a very popular place. So the surprise is when we get to the end, my mom, she's gonna prepare a special dish for us on the scuttle, and I hope you enjoy it. Again, I appreciate all my subscribers, so let's continue on this adventure. Hey guys, so we're here. We pulled off on the trail. My mom is gonna cook for us anticucho styled skewers. She's using the scuttle. We got the Zero Breeze, our Milwaukee converted stove kitchen with drawers, the ice-cold fridge, the Dometic, the Inca 4x4 camper. Also, I want to point out this trail bag. We have the pre-orders available now. You'll save a good bit of money if you pre-order. And yeah, so I appreciate you being here. I'm going to show you this really delicious plate. If you have issues with the heat right now, a Zero Breeze is a way to go. It cools down, and we got this little fan, so it's kind of circulating the cold air around that space. So I'll see you guys on the trail, and thank you again for all my subscribers.
Hi, my name is Rosa. Today I want to start cooking the anticuchos. Anticuchos is from Peru. So, but the beef, we use beef heart, but it's a little bit difficult to get it that meat. So I'm gonna use the chicken and start the other one. So we're gonna just put in here, okay. I put the meat and the sticks. Is seasoning the same like anticuchos. So this kind of food you can find it when you go to Peru, everywhere. These people enjoy so much eating this. We can maybe call like a street food because you can find it everywhere. So delicious. It is really, really good. So let me show you guys how we can cook this one. You can use this flat, like a flat grill, or you can use the other regular grill with a small hose in there. So for either way, you can cook for both. For seasoning this anticuchos, So what you use the red pepper, like we call ají panca, okay? We can, and that one it comes from Peru, and also we can use the cumin, garlic fresh, black pepper, salt, red vinegar. But if you don't have red vinegar, you can use the white vinegar too. And the other ingredient, what I like to put in there, it is some Coca-Cola. So those things you put together in a blender, you mix very well. It has to be very, very well. And that's it. That's what you have to cut it in meat, not too thick. It has to be like maybe 1 centimeter, the side. And because you can use the sticks, put the sticks inside. So, marinate this meat, it has to be overnight because the meat needs to absorb the oil flavor for the oil ingredients, what we use. In Peru, we serve these anticuchos with the fresh corn, so the white corn, potatoes, like we boil the potatoes, and so in this point we have to put the potatoes on the side of your griller, so for just get the seasoning for the meat. So they're gonna be really good. This you can put on the sides. So that's